It's really how do you manage yourself to manage the hecticity of the schedule you've chosen. One of the things that we've done recently that's really proven to be beneficial to that compassion is we've implemented a monthly feedback between leadership and employees. And every month, the employees are to meet with their leadership, their managers, if you will, and for 15 minutes, talk about where they're at and are things going satisfactory or unsatisfactory, and what are your goals. These used to be the annual evaluations where everybody sat down and had to spend hours and days and all kinds of time trying to figure things out and reflect on things that had already passed. We don't do those anymore. We talk monthly and we piggyback from where we left off on how things are going. And I think the employees and the leadership are really appreciating that because it creates, like I was saying earlier about habits, that subfloor of process that requires the compassion. Does that make sense? Like what we do drives us to improve our communication, drives us to improve our feedback, drives us to improve on how we're working together and how we're bringing human to the table versus just saying it in print or just trying to say it and then never executing on it. So we try and do those things that bring us to peak performance in ourselves and in our company. And there's truth behind that. I passed the red face test. We try and get better every day.